What's up, y'all? It's your girl Monet. About to do the So Gone challenge for y'all real quick. So tell me what you guys think. Damn, I knew it, that you go break my heart. Shoulda never trust your ass from the start. Saying baby this and baby that. Do get out my face with all that bull crap. You said you love me, but that was a lie. Now you got me thinking about some other guy. And this one, he know how to treat me better. Promise he will stay down even through the stormy weather. Niggas like you, the ones that's hard to be with. The ones that claim that they always on that G shit. Nigga, get gone, I said I'm done with you. Go find another bitch that can put up with you. Shit is crazy that I trusted you. Then I caught you with that bitch, boy, you busted too. Looking crazy, don't know what to do. He said, I'm sorry, babe. I said, nah, fuck you, dude. Now I'm the one to blame when you was always running games. You can't keep a girl, nigga, that's a fucking shame. Always dog us out and wonder why we run away. All the shit you put me through, you thinking I'ma stay? That was just a little piece for y'all. Tell me what you guys think. Peace out.